Before I start this video, make sure you hit that subscription bell. You see me right now? Just how I'm bringing on a football match. You see me? But before me even drop the entire match, me drop the rest of the match, me have to get at least, I don't know, 50 likes on this video. You see me? I know I think go a long time in a post now. You see me? But you know, say my thing them busy. I've been busy. You see me? You know, say enough work forward and thing. I don't know, say. I couldn't get to edit the entire video because my laptop gets shagged. You see me? So I try my best right now to edit off on my phone them, you see me? Because I don't know, I'm not on a tablet, but I edit off on my phone them and drop some content for them. So make sure you like up the video and share up the video, you see me? Straight out.
Is it true? I'm not lucky. I'm glad too. I'm glad too. There's problem on the field.
Joke, man. I cash up and no bike, man. Look all I'm in a ball field. I just feel like going with me there ball field now. You see? No people, I don't know. This is how we kick ball.
Hey, Rooney.
Yeah, pretty people. Yo. Ragbo, bug. People, man, them all play some skimmage football, see? Not futsal, man, them all play football.
Wow. Why you turn down the kick today, yes? Yeah, laugh. Turn down the kick.
The man and I go and do some warm up, see? I'm not Premier League, I don't Premier League. There's a catch some people see? I think setting up people. Who was he carrying a Bappy? Who was he carrying a dog? Alright, back to the football match, people. So you don't know, my name is V.I.D.E.O and I'll be a commentator for this match right here at the Club McKay High School. So you don't know. We have DJ Rusty on the field. We have Lionel Messi on the field. You don't know a thing go. So viewers, you know a thing go. Just subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell. You know a thing setting up. Right here on Bobajoe TV. I heard they're going for $1 million in this football match. The winning side will get $1 million. You're seeing the guys are just getting warmed up for this football match because it's gonna be a hard tackle. We have V.I.D.E.O on the field. You can see V.I.D.E.O there on the field. Make we zoom in and see what these guys are doing right here. Make we zoom in. Zoom in and I don't know. This is how we do it right here in James Hill. I leave a football, I leave a bicycle kicking balls right down the field right here. Yo, take it bicycle off right here. Oh. You know. You can see the teams are over there.
You're not active, brother. You can't move, brother. Cameraman, yeah, brother, I say what? I'm going to stop. I say
Why I keep me on foot there? Why do I take a camera from here where I'm not going? Eh?